So I just wanted to ask, what benefits are you seeing from the delivery of the solutions that you have from EBO?
Yeah, that's a really good question, Simon. So early trends are looking positive, especially around DNA data. So evaluation report for the data related to appointment reminders until end of July 25 shows percentage reduction in DNA rate of about 12.43%, with the absolute reduction in DNA rate of 1.07%. But what does that mean? Basically, which is equivalent to 249 less DNAs per year for our 3 pilot services. And looking at the projections and forecast based on these figures, and if we roll it out to all the services, and even if only 70% of appointments are booked in advance and they get SMS reminders, we are likely to have roughly 3,764 less DNAs per year.
Wow.
So I'm, yeah, so it's really positive. So I mentioned appointment booked in advance. Why is it important? Because if the appointments are booked retrospectively in the diary, then patients are not going to get the appointment reminder. And to fully realize the benefits attached to virtual assistant, especially the appointment management bit, we need to do more work on our processes, like supporting our staff to ensure that the appointments are booked in advance. So appointment reminder is sent to the service user, and they remember to cancel the appointment if they can't make it. And we also need to do further work on reviewing our internal processes to efficiently fill these slots that are cancelled at short notice to save actual clinical time. Just to add a little bit more, from patients' perspective, a benefit of a system like this is to improve patient experience of communicating with services. So we are looking at working with our expert by experience group to capture their experience of using our new way of communicating with them. And then, like I mentioned previously, we will be looking at benefits related to waiting list validation functionality shortly, and see if it has a significant impact on reducing the waiting list and staff time saved and reduction in cost of printing and posting letters.